Beat Boys.
Yeah. Whatever you want from me, I'm right here. Yes. Cause I can be a fantasy. Don't be scared. Yes. So whatever you want from me, I'm right here. Cause I can be a fantasy. Don't be scared.
Yes. She said I was a sexpert. Yeah, baby, I can be your sexpert. Yeah, hold up. I got a hurricane tongue and a stroke like thunder. Your body gon' rain when I go down under. Just said, you know I'ma do it right. I can be a little toy for the night. Baby, I'm at your service. Put my lips on your surface. Look at me, don't get nervous. I want your eyes on me while I work it. Now, we can go to the shower too for an hour or two. You know how I do. So awesome, stay tossing it. Put me on my knees, get my face lost in it. Yeah, in the sheets, I'm beast. Tongue game sick, I look into you release. Yeah, you running the show now, so let me know how you want it to go down. You looking at me like you really want it, baby, and I want you. Yeah, so we can get it however, baby, just tell me what you wanna do. Don't worry about it, mama, I'ma take your mind off whatever you're going through. Getting freaky and kinky, I'ma put it on you.
Whatever you want from me, I'm right here. Yes. Cause I can be a fantasy. Don't be scared. Yes. So whatever you want from me, I'm right here. Yes. Cause I can be a fantasy. Don't be scared.
Yes, hold up. I pick you up on the wall with your hands on the ceiling and eat that till you get a trembling feeling, baby. Now turn the cameras on and tell your girl come through with the camera phone. Love it when you make your faces. When I taste it, I won't waste it. Just face it, when you naked, I'ma give it to you till you can't take it. Now you can blindfold me and tie me up to the chair. Your girl watching while you pulling my hair, yeah. No, you begging me to slide in, I'm inside it. Go ahead, ride it. Got your girlfriend curious, and she biting her lips so furious. And I know she been thinking about joining us. It's going down. Turn around, right now, yeah, cause I like when you moan, but I love it when you're screaming, yeah, close your eyes and go for the ride, you think you was dreaming, make your body feel hot, I had a whole room steaming, zoom zang, I mean, it's
whatever you want from me, I'm right here, yes, cause I can be a fantasy, don't be scared, yes. So whatever you want from me, I'm right here. Yes. Cause I can be a fantasy. Don't be scared.
Yes. Go. Now I know you sitting there thinking like, yeah, does he really do the stuff he talking about in the songs? Or is it just entertainment? Well, hey, it's only one way to find out. She said I was a sexpert.